What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I've put out a video. I cannot tell you how extremely busy I've been here at the shop. I'm gonna do a little quick shop update real quick with you guys so you can see what we've been working on. Right here, got a customer's car. We did bolt-ons, E40 tune of course by Doc Vu. So we're just finishing this up. I did the first log on it now. Had some misfires. This is I believe a 35,000 mile motor replaced by BMW. So it's got all original plugs and coils, which have probably never been changed. So I got some L doors and some NGK 97506s on the way. We'll get those gapped accordingly, and we'll finish up that car today, do some logs, some revisions with Fong. Here's an upcoming project that we have. Let me show you guys here. So I don't know if you guys remember this car from way back videos before I opened up the shop here when I was over at Pinnacle Motorworks. This is a built motor that I put together. Usual package, you know, open deck, rods, bearings, pistons, time certs, head studs, head gasket, and we had put DAW max flow plus turbos on this thing, full exhaust, you know, it's got the works. Anyways, we took this car out to the track, as you guys remember, and shortly after, when the rear differential gave out, we fixed it, got it back to the shop. Customer took it, and the turbos blew. I think we were on a low boost. I think we were on a lower map. It was like 20 pounds of boost, and these DAWs just gave out. So I got this car now for myself, and I think the plan with this is those stage 2 turbos, the blue ones that I got from Fenrir Motorsports. I'm gonna go ahead and make this the new project car. The Project 335, that black one that I picked up, I think I'm gonna post it up for sale if anybody's interested. Right now it's getting detailed. Hopefully I can pick it up later today and I'll put it in the video. We'll do a quick walk around, see where she's at. But I'm probably gonna be somewhere around like 6,000 or best offer for that car. You guys saw all the work that I've done to it and what it's got in it, and it's running perfect. So there's that. And then we're putting together, or we're re-gasketing the engine on this 135 that spun a crank hub. So this thing here will be up on the chopping block next, just to get a motor swapped in it. And then let's head up here in the shop. Got my boy Luis over here. He's been helping me out this last week. So that big brake kit that we ordered from Ceika, we got it all laid out over here. Front brakes, rear brakes. We got our calipers, our caliper brackets, and brake lines. We are going to be installing it on this built motor that I have on the 335. This is Ammar's car. We got built motor. We're waiting for, we had to fix a small little oil leak from the turbo drain. Just cleaning everything up now. We put a 335D coolant reservoir in this thing. I'm doing some of my black tape wrap, trying to clean up these wires here. I'm gonna get the front end on this, and the turbo compressor housing is getting powder coated, so we should have that back from all out coating. In the meantime, Luis is gonna help me. We're gonna get this big brake kit mounted up. We are waiting for coilover still. ECS delayed another week, of course. I was hoping to do it all at once so we can get that 275 wheel on the back, but we're gonna have to wait until Friday. Now is the new ship date. But in the meantime, we'll go ahead and throw the big brake kit on this thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and start disassembling the 335 IS engine that I have had here sitting on the ground for a couple weeks. We'll go ahead and get this on an engine stand, and I'll throw a time lapse for you guys on the disassembly of that motor. So What time is it? Like noon? 1 o'clock?
12:30.
12:30. So, I'll do a little update in a couple hours, see where we're at. Like I said, right now I'm gonna start disassembling that motor. I'll put you guys on the time lapse, and then maybe later we'll go pick up the black E90 that I'm gonna put up for sale, and then from there we'll see where we are with this big brake kit install. All right, quick little overview on this 335 IS motor before we start tearing this thing down. The turbos are, what are these? I don't know if you can see that. Good old VTTO. Look like they've seen better days. I'm sure that was rattling. I believe the one that blew is this one here, which is the front turbo. The other thing I noticed is there was a thicker line on the rear wastegate than the one going to the front. Was this little stock line, so I'm sure that wasn't helping. There they are. Not really any play in them, so I don't know what happened, but definitely looking kind of crusty. So thanks, Tim. Love working on these kinds of projects, you know. Other than that, we're just gonna start taking off all these accessories: water pump, thermostat, motor mount, downpipes. Disconnect all of our lines that we need to take off. Pull the turbos off, solenoids off. Overall, motor's not really oily. A little bit here on the front. No crazy leaks like we're used to seeing. It's pretty dry. Obviously just very dusty since it's been sitting for so long without being driven. I do want to say I like the custom mod that you have done here, Tim, on your vacuum pump. This provides extra cooling. Very unique indeed. I don't know, maybe something will pop out of one of these holes. We'll see. Hopefully non-poisonous. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the tripod and start taking everything apart. Also, rear main seal looks to have been sucked in a little bit right there. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you one more thing. Part of the reason why I'm selling the Project 335, the daily, obviously picked up something new in the fleet. So just scoop this up. This is gonna help a lot with being able to tow the car to events now, not have to worry about not getting picked up and paying transit fees and everything. So further on down the line, maybe we'll pick up a trailer and we now have this to pull the car with. It's 40,000 miles on it. Got a pretty good deal. It's got full warranty and everything. So it's 5.3 liter, and yeah. So now we're just gonna recuperate some funds by selling the black E90. That's the main reason why I'm selling it. I have to focus more on the main shop car. I can't be doing too many projects at once, so that black car is gonna have to go. You guys have all seen my previous videos, and you know what I've done to it. I think it's pretty fairly priced at $6,000. So if anybody's interested, let me know. Now we're gonna go pick that up from my guy who just did a full detail on that thing. So I'm over here at my buddy's shop, Daniel. He's got high intensity detailing. If anybody needs, anybody local needs their car detailed, this dude does amazing work. We're about to see right now what he did with this black E90. Check it out. This thing came out absolutely amazing. Look at this. The only little spot we got right here, which that's how I bought the car, It's not really rusty, it's just bare metal underneath. But there she is, man. Look at this thing. Paint looking perfect. Oh, by the way, it's not coming with these wheels when I sell it. I'm getting new tires put on the original wheels. These are actually off of Tim's 335 IS, just so I can roll the car around. But look at this terracotta brown interior. Seats are immaculate. Got the OE BMW floor mats. We upgraded the steering wheel in the previous video. Man, I don't even know if I want to get rid of this trim here. I might put that in the chalk car, so I don't know, but look at these back seats. Beautiful. I'd say 9 out of 10 condition on this interior right here. Even the outside. I mean, we got a couple little light scratches, nothing crazy. And some chips on the front. But we'll get this out in the sun and see how she looks outside. Alrighty, so here's a little bit better view with the outside lighting. As you can see. Looking really good overall. So the only areas of concern are on that quarter panel right there. Obviously some rock chips on the hood. Again, the car's got 183,000 miles. Motor extremely healthy. Here's the terracotta interior. Non-sport seat, of course. Same thing with the rear. No rips, no tears, no fading. Clean headliner. And once again, does not come with these IS wheels. I have a set of 18s that are going on. It's the winter wheel setup that I had. I'm just waiting for one of the tires to come in so I can get that mounted. I was at like $6,000 or best offer, but I think I'm gonna be pretty firm just on $6,000, just how the car turned out. You know, it's in great shape for $6K. You're probably not gonna find anything like this in this condition. I do have a set of Eibach lowering springs I'm willing to throw in on the deal. And the front Bilstein, I think they're B8s. All you would need to get are the rear shocks, and that'll take care of your suspension. Suspension's pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. Makes sounds, the car is really bouncy, so I mean, if you're hands-on, you can probably do that yourself. It's not too bad of a job. Or we can do it here for you at Boosted Beavers. Right there. But yeah, let me know if anybody's interested. We're located in Addison, Illinois. I'm gonna post the car up again on some of the Facebook groups. I'm sure it'll sell pretty quick at $6,000, so there we are.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I bet you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase that? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn, make a decision. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you believe in. Just tell me that I can. 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 Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
You got driver mod, bro? Tell me. You got driver mod? You gonna be able to handle this car?
Come on, baby.
You gonna be able to handle this car?
Come on, baby. We ain't building nothing if we can't handle it.
We finna see. Mark's gonna be famous tonight. Left the raft. All right, we're gonna end the video here. We got pretty much the entire motor stripped out for this 335 IS. Turbos are out. This front one was the one that, oh, look, I didn't even see this. Yeah, that's your problem right there, Tim. That's what gave out. So there's that. We got our water pump off, downpipes off, all the accessories are off. Tomorrow we'll pull off the fuel rail and we'll start, we'll do a full dismantle video. And then that white car we had earlier, we had downpipes, intercooler, custom tuned by Doc. That car went out, customer was happy. What else? Oh, let me give you an update on these brakes. So we're still working on the rears. We got some seized lines that we got to take care of. The front one's in, looking really nice. Customer's actually here right now. Ammar, what do you think, man? You happy? What are your thoughts overall with this build? Because I'm not gonna lie, you've dumped a lot of money here with me at the shop. Full build, doing brakes. You know, we have the front end off. Obviously, this is nothing wrong with it. We're just fixing a little minor oil leak that we had at the turbo oil drain. We're cleaning up some wiring. We're doing the 335D coolant tank. Just cleaning it up, making it, you know.
Bro, the car, solid. The motor build, sheesh.
Yeah,
I'm
like
just
that.
gonna tell you guys, man. John, solid ass fucker, guys. I'm sorry, excuse my language, but yeah. The best 30K I've ever spent. Yeah, 100%.
Well, I'm glad you're happy.
I appreciate you, brother.
We
Never
got-
let me down, guys.
We got some more. We got some more installs that we're doing on this thing here. I don't know. He's thinking about getting my manifold, so we're probably gonna put that on. Maybe do a little powder coating on that. And really, our holdup right now is these coilovers that we've been waiting on. We ordered these back in March. ECS promised us that they would be shipped on the 6th. And here we are. Now they're saying by Friday that they're gonna ship out. So we can't put the tire on the rear because these are extreme lows that are on here. And we're not about that stance. We're trying to put some power down.
Guys, if you guys trying to make some power, hit up that guy. Realistically.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so yeah, obviously, you guys saw today, little update on the shop. Obviously, a bunch of changes. The E90 is for sale. We got the work truck. We're starting on this IS build. We're adding to this build right here. We did a couple bolt-on cars. And that's it, man. Tomorrow's video, I'm going to do a disassembly video on this IS motor. Get it ready to ship that out to get closed deck. I already have all the parts, all the internals. We have pretty much have not only all the parts, but we have every single part for this car. Drivetrain, suspension, brakes, everything. So we're gonna get cracking on this IS build because actually 3 cars that are going to impact this one, the IS build, and my chalk car. So we have a deadline to meet, and we're gonna make sure that we get that in time for. Well, I mean, we have time. It's in August, so but we want to get these cars dialed in, get them running right because these are gonna be your top 3 contenders at Impact. I guarantee you that. So we'll end it here. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's video.
BBC, baby.
Yes, sir. One more quick little update I haven't showed you guys. Check this out. Got the GTS hood looking extra good right here. That's gonna be on the chalk car. And huge shout out to VS Ammar. I got my 3-pump holder for my low pressure pump. And we're gonna be throwing on these 1400cc port injectors. So that's a little update on the chalk car.